What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're doing a little nighttime POV, but I'm gonna continue this tomorrow during the day. But for now, I just want to do a couple minutes in the nighttime because, dude, nighttime, bro, something about nighttime, it's a whole different feel, bro. Like, the wine is so different at night, bro. It's unreal. I'll open up the windows a little bit more. Oh my. Nights, dude, something about driving at night is next level therapeutic, bro. That's why after work I just be driving at night, because it's just, dude, just such a, it just feels so good, relaxing, bro. Listen to music. You know, after a long day of work, I feel like, you know, even though I'm working like crazy hours, I still have, I still can do everything. I still have time for the gym, time to ride my car, time to eat some food, grill. It's like making as much money as I can with overtime and freaking enjoy my life. It's like, that's why I love this car. That's why I don't regret it. Holy moly, dude, I'm telling you right now, bro, nighttime's like a different, it sounds crazy right now. Oh my, dude, what the? I haven't done a pull like that in a minute. Oh my, dude, it's loud from the inside. That's when you know it's freaking crazy. Oh, I'm freaking real, dude. And the breeze is so much nicer too at night. It's like crispy out right now. Oh my. I've been driving more casually on the streets, it's 11.7 on average. It's actually not bad, low-key. I used to get like freaking 8 because I'll be raping it every time. Not even though, not even, just I used to be on high gears, just oh shoot, bro. Oh my gosh. I love this car, bro. Nah, this car is freaking everything, bro. Next car, bro, has to be something twin turbo, bro. It has to be like a R8, Huracan, ideally SVJ, but to get to that kind of level of money, bro, dude, it takes a lot. It takes a long freaking time. So we'll see, bro. We'll see. We're just gonna take it day by day, work our butt off, keep building up the team. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh my. That pop, dude, I love this frame. I love this car in that M5. I mean, I don't know what else I would need other than a supercar next, you know what I mean? Maybe one day also GT2 RS, bro. Twin turbo. Come on, bro. Oh my, dude. Nah, this car, bro, it's too fun. It's way too fun. Way too fun. Honestly, that's what seals the deal for me is the twin turbos, bro. I mean, not twin turbos. The supercharger wine, it just seals the deal for me, bro. Alright, boys, I'm gonna continue this during the day, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little nighttime POV. What's up, boys? It's the next day. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's go. Another day be alive, bro. Bless another day. I love it, bro. I'm hyped. We gotta enjoy the day God gave us, man. You know what I'm saying? You only live once. You never know when your last day is, man. Gosh, this area is kind of sussy, so I'm like not trying to go too crazy yet. Gotta scout this area out because there's like, I'm telling you, bro, there's campers out here. There's always some camper, and it's like, oh, like it's just sketch, bro. All you guys been doing good, man. Hope all you guys are grinding out, you know, trying to make a better life for yourself. Man, hella studio freaking pauses here, bro. More studios. Oh my. There it is. Oh my. Yeah, right now I need to tie my pipes in again, dude. This car has just too much. I mean, honestly, bro, the pistons. This car is just too powerful, bro. They literally have to keep retightening my exhaust from time to time because it just loosens it up, dude. Nothing you can do. I mean, just by the sound of it, bro. I am not surprised. I gotta be more careful. Dude, these streets are perfect, bro. Gosh. What's up? I wonder what all these people do for businesses, bro. Like, look at all these buildings, bro. So much going on over here. There's so much opportunity, bro. It's unreal. It's hard to get there though. It takes a lot of freaking effort. Dude, this car sounds crazy, bro. After I put titanium pipes in this thing, it changed the whole thing. And I'm just happy that I'm literally one of the only people that actually sell valved charger exhausts. And people look at the price like, dang, bro, it's expensive. Dude, I tried to get one custom made. It was like 6 G's. I'm not doing all that. So I just decided to find manufacturer myself instead of finding like doing it through a middleman, bro, because it was just way too much. I really cut the price almost in half. the supercharged whine is so satisfying. It's so satisfying. Is it worth the price? I mean, to be real with you guys, to have any car, it just costs a lot. Like, it's so crazy, bro. All you gotta do is just put your money in the right places for literally 2 years of your life, and you literally will have a Hellcat paid off monthly. I don't want to give financial advice because it's just, I don't know, I'm not trying to deal with people getting pissed or something like that, or people taking it and it doesn't work. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? It worked for me, so that's why I'm happy. Like, these cars almost pay. I legit almost don't even pay for the payments on these cars. And I'm trying to keep that going. I'm trying to get up to 10 G's a month, 15 G's a month. Hopefully I can do that passively, right? Passive income, not my active income. It's completely separate. Once I get there, bro, you're gonna see I'm gonna be buying cars, bro, because I'm gonna be real with you guys. Like, I'm only living once, and like, I'm gonna work hard, and I'm gonna spend 50% of my money like I'm gonna be on earth for 100 years. But the other 50%, bro, I'm spending it like this month's my last month. Cause I've had way too many people die in my life, bro. That's like you cannot take life for granted, because they can really go at any moment. Right now, boys, the past 2 years I've been doing this YouTube. Obviously, I'm doing the base. I'm keeping it POVs because that's just, for me. If I want to do vlogging, I would do vlogging on a whole separate channel, to be real with you guys. I do POVs because I want to keep it simple. I want to be able to look back. Because I know for sure, bro, 10, 20 years from now, there's gonna be a whole different new set of cars coming out. It's gonna be a whole different dude. It's gonna be a whole different era. And honestly, bro, I'm gonna try to keep this going for forever. I mean, the goal is obviously to get nicer cars, so then actually people are gonna watch it. You know what I mean? Like, constantly upgrade. So I have to come up with a better system. So I don't. Maybe I should just lease cars, mod it, put it back to stock before I give it back, and then just do that rinse and repeat. Because I started thinking, like, people say leasing's a scam and all this stuff, and like, obviously you're gonna lose money, but you're gonna lose money either way. Like, this car is depreciated like 20K already. Like, I lost 20 G's already. And then when new cars keep coming out, this one's gonna keep losing value. I mean, leasing is almost the same thing. Like, you're gonna lose a little bit more, maybe, depending on, it just depends on the car. That's it. It just really depends. All cars depreciate like crap. So I'm trying to come up with a system. Like, do I try to find a way to keep it cheaper, or should I just try to make more money and just buy every single car and just have it on the lot? And then have those other cars, like, when they get too old, that like nobody wants to watch them anymore, I just freaking trade it in for another car, you know what I mean? So I don't know what system is the most efficient, because since I do travel off for work, I'm low-key not even trying to, like, I'm low-key trying to get like any car I buy, I want to use it for work, to be real with you. Because I'm always driving to customers. I mean, might as well drive a nice car once in a while, you know what I mean? And plus, if it's for the business, it's a write-off in itself, so it'll literally be a plus. But the only problem is I'll be putting hella miles on that thing. Hella miles, which that's the only con. But I mean, honestly, bro, I just didn't buy a car with already high miles because you get it for so much cheaper, and then I should just focus on just like refurbishing it low key. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I don't work on cars enough. I need to work on that more. I need to try to do it more often. Like, since I finally have a shop, I want to start taking apart engines. Obviously, I don't want to take apart this one because this one's still good, but I want to like buy one and just take it apart for fun, so I can know how to do it. Because if I can work on expensive freaking machines, bro, then I should be able to freaking work on a car. Car should be cake. I'm gonna go down my favorite freaking street, and I'm gonna finish the video off here, boys. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. You know, like I said, I'm keeping it simple, like I said, every single video. Right now, the goal is, since this is the week spot to start, my goal is to kill it this week. Time to kill it every single week. Like I keep saying, bro, time just flies, bro. I work on like the hardest freaking equipment. I do the hardest jobs, and it feels like forever, but then time just flies, dude. That's why you gotta endure the suffering, boys. You gotta work those 12 hours. You know, like I work 12-hour shifts, bro. I come home and I still got too much time. I go to a skate park, I go to the gym sometimes. I go watch a movie. Oh my. Woo! I got the whole street to myself now. Woo! Freaking amazing, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. If I'm getting a Lamski, bro, I gotta get it one that's twin turbo, because stock, sadly, bro, this car will smoke a stock freaking Lambo, which is insane. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing has so much torque. I love it. I freaking love it. I've been driving this thing more recently than the freaking M5, bro. Because it's just so much more fun. Way more fun. All right, boys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.